Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can buy cryptos through credit card or debit card on crypto.com. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your crypto.com, and once you're logged into your account, tap on the logo which is right at the bottom. So after that, you have to select the crypto that you want to buy, and after you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, on the other interface you have to tap on buy, which is right at the bottom. And as you tap on buy, next page you have this kind of interface. So after that, you have to select the card in order to buy the crypto, and once you're done selecting the card, right at the bottom you have an option select. So all you have to do is just tap on it, and on the other interface you have to enter the amount of crypto that you want to buy, and once you're done, tap on confirm. And after that, in order to confirm your detail, once again you have to go through it, and then if you're sure about it, tap on confirm. And then on the last interface you'll be notified that you've successfully purchased crypto. So that is how you can buy crypto through a credit card or debit card on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.